Buying or selling a home is a huge deal, so sharing your realtor experience can make all the difference for someone else. Let's break down how to write a realtor review that's actually helpful. First, choose your platform. Popular choices are Zillow, Google Reviews, and Realtor. Pick the one where you feel most comfortable sharing your experience. Now, for the review itself, be specific. Vague comments don't help anyone. Mention specific situations, like negotiated a great price or helped me stage my home beautifully. Always highlight positive experiences, emphasizing what your realtor did well, such as their responsiveness, communication skills, or market knowledge. Finally, offer constructive feedback, even if it's positive. For example, while communication was excellent, sometimes responses were slightly delayed in the evenings. See the difference? Generic reviews say little, but detailed reviews give future clients tangible information. Avoid generalizations like "they were great," and instead write "they were great at explaining complex contracts in a way I could easily understand." End your review by clearly stating whether you would recommend the realtor and why. This provides a clear takeaway for potential clients. For example, "I highly recommend." And that's it. A well-written realtor review is a gift to both the realtor and future homebuyers. So go ahead, share your experience, and help others find their dream home. Don't forget to use #realtor review and #customer feedback.